This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Sightings of massive swarms of Asian giant hornets have been reported in all 50 states of the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. These hornets are causing massive damage across the country, including destroying beehives and attacking anyone they see in their path. These insects have already killed tens of thousands of people across the United States, and millions are in the hospital fighting for their lives after being stung. They are extremely venomous, and multiple stings on a human can't be fatal. Their stings can't even pierce through beekeeper suits, as their stinger is 1/4 of an inch long. Multiple beekeepers have been stung several times by these hornets, and have been rushed to the hospital while exterminating swarms of these insects. As a precaution, all residents of the United States are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately. Go into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. Make sure all entrances are closed, so these hornets do not get into your shelter. Take an important set of supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio, to last you for the duration of this emergency. Do not approach these insects as they are considered extremely dangerous. They will attack anyone on sight, as they are extremely aggressive. If you are stung by one or more of these hornets, call 911 and go to the hospital immediately, as this is a serious medical emergency. Tune into local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WFMZ-TV. We will continue to serve the Allentown area. If you are not in this local area, tune now into stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Allentown area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.